What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get free coins on GoodNovel, and I've been using this mod for over 7 months now, and in this video I'm going to share it with you for absolutely free. And so you know, this works on both iOS and Android, which means I have tested this on both devices and the mod works amazingly well. So the very first thing you want to do is to make sure to subscribe to the channel and also drop a like on this video to support the channel. Okay, so you want to simply pull up your browser, and so you know, you can use any browser of your choice to do this. All you just have to do is to go over to the search section, and you don't want to type in cash2.com like this. So once you type this on the page, it's going to bring you right here. All you just have to do is to scroll down to the very bottom of the page, and you're going to find GoodNovel right here, as you can see. Okay, so you want to click on it. So once you do that, as you can see, this is the mod. Like I mentioned earlier, it gives you free coins and premium on GoodNovel. All you just have to do is to make sure to select your device, be it Android or iOS. So since I'm on an Android device, I'm going to select Android. However, if you're an iOS user, you want to make sure to select iOS. This is very important as it ensures you get the correct version on your device. And as you can see here, the download package installer has started. All you just have to do from here is to wait for 10 to 20 seconds, which the process will then be completed. And once the entire process is completed, you'll be able to get free coins and premium on GoodNovel. Like I mentioned earlier, it works on both iOS and Android.